Mix coffee with alcohol and you will not stop thanking me. If you watch until the end, you will learn an unusual trick that few people know. To start our advice today, we will take a container and add 2 tablespoons of coffee powder. Few people use coffee this way, and you will be surprised to see how it works. To help in the dissolution of coffee, I will also use 100 milliliters of water at room temperature. The ideal thing now will be to mix well until the coffee has completely diluted in the water. Next, we will use the alcohol, which is the ingredient that complements this advice, and that will make it possible for this mixture to work. The ideal amount for use is 200 milliliters. Now we must mix a little more so that they integrate completely. In the meantime, I would like to know from which country you see us to send you a special greeting. Today's greeting is for Rocio Ochoa from Ecuador. Thanks for watching each advice. And as a last ingredient, we will use cloves. We will add 10 units. Cloves, in addition to bringing a great aroma to all places that use this mixture, also act perfectly avoiding the presence of flies and mosquitoes. And before I forget, tell me below if you knew this mixture and if you have ever prepared it. Now we just have to mix very well, and so our mixture will be ready for use. To facilitate the application, I am going to put all the mixture in a spraying pot, since this way we can dispense it better and control the amount of product we spend. Using a funnel, I am going to put totally liquid, and then we just have to close and it will be ready to use. For use, it is very simple. You just have to apply the product directly and spread it with a cloth. If in your house you have stainless steel appliances and these have lost their shine, they look dirty and opaque. The ideal is to apply this mixture at least twice a week. Best of all is that it not only serves to give shine to appliances, but it will also serve as a protective layer that will scare away insects from your house. You can use it to remove oil stains and stains on all your kitchen items. If this is the first time you have seen one of our tips and found it useful, remember to subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And if you made it this far, leave me the words, "shiny appliances," so I'll know you watched the full video. See you next time.